A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking turn of events, South Korea's former defense minister Kim Hyun was formally arrested on Wednesday, following allegations of his collusion with President Yoon Suk Yeol and other officials in the imposition of martial law last week. This unprecedented move has sent ripples through the political landscape of South Korea, raising questions about the legality and implications of their actions. The martial law, which lasted only 6 hours, was the first of its kind in over 40 years and sparked widespread protests and public outrage across the nation. As investigations unfold, Yoon and several associates are now facing criminal inquiries and impeachment efforts. The Justice Ministry has taken the unusual step of banning Yoon and 8 others from leaving the country, marking a historic moment as it is the first instance of a sitting president receiving a travel ban. The Seoul Central District Court has approved an arrest warrant for Kim, citing his significant role in the alleged rebellion and abuse of power, making him the first individual to be detained in connection with the controversial December 3 martial law decree. The court's decision underscores the gravity of the charges and the potential for evidence tampering, leading to Kim's detention since Sunday. Prosecutors now have a window of up to 20 days to decide on formal charges against him, with the gravity of rebellion carrying a maximum death penalty. Kim stands accused of advising President Yoon to declare martial law and deploying troops to the National Assembly to prevent lawmakers from voting on the decree. Despite the military's interference, lawmakers managed to convene and unanimously rejected the martial law order, forcing its retraction by the cabinet before dawn on December 4th. In a public statement, Kim expressed remorse for the turmoil caused by the martial law, accepting full responsibility for the decision and pleading for leniency for the soldiers who acted under his command. The political upheaval has led to protests demanding President Yoon's impeachment, with demonstrators actively tearing down banners representing the ruling People Power Party. The opposition-controlled parliament has moved to appoint an independent special counsel to investigate Yoon and top military officials regarding the martial law's implementation. The Democratic Party, the main opposition group, argues that public prosecutors cannot be trusted to conduct an impartial investigation into Yoon, a former prosecutor general. During a parliamentary hearing, Army Special Warfare Command Commander Kwak Jong-kun testified that he received direct orders from Kim to obstruct lawmakers from entering the National Assembly, aimed at preventing the necessary votes to overturn Yoon's martial law decree. Kwak recounted a direct communication from Yoon, asking for troops to forcibly remove lawmakers from the chamber. Senior military officials have also come under scrutiny, with testimonies revealing attempts to establish detention facilities for political figures post-martial law. The opposition parties and legal experts have criticized the martial law as unconstitutional, arguing that the president can only declare such measures in times of war or national emergencies, which they assert was not the case. President Yoon's declaration highlighted his agenda to eliminate perceived threats from liberal opponents, further intensifying the political divide. Since Yoon's inauguration in 2022, tensions with the Democratic Party have escalated, leading to multiple impeachment motions against his officials. While Yoon narrowly avoided impeachment last weekend due to a boycott by governing party lawmakers, the Democratic Party is preparing for another vote on his impeachment. The party has also initiated motions to impeach other officials, including Yoon's police chief and justice minister. If Yoon is impeached, his powers would be suspended pending a constitutional court decision on his fate, potentially leading to a new presidential election. As the political crisis unfolds, the nation watches closely, with the implications of these events likely to resonate for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.